Welcome back to Magical Mayhem. So I thought with the year coming up to a close here in a couple of days, I would look back at 2018 and I work really hard. I do a lot of events, I do a lot of magic, I do a lot of balloon art. So this is how I reward myself. I enjoy it, I know you guys will too. Check it out. So that was my trip down to Vegas this year. I went down to Magic and Mystery School and Magic Live. I had a fantastic time with friends and just magic everywhere. I hope to see you guys in 2019 out there in Magic Live. If you like what you see, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to share with your friends. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe. Let's make 2019 magical. Remember, keep it amazing.